Well, get ready for a bumpy ride. Looks like it's time to buckle up. We've been saying it's going to be a bit turbulent for quite a while now, and I think it's finally happening in the market. Now, that being said, I did take a bit of advantage today to pick up a few of the positions that I wanted to add in the portfolio. I see this as an opportunity. Now, again, if you're investing, my strategy of this is long term. We're thinking 5-10 years minimum for all of the stocks that are in this portfolio. So I took a bit of advantage. I picked up 100 more shares of the Green Lane Renewables. If you aren't aware of that, that's the renewable natural gas processor in British Columbia. I think a good long-term play. So I was able to dollar cost average down on that, pick up another 100 shares, which was awesome. I also did pick up just one share, one of the VFV. The price was under $100. I kind of always say if I can see it under $100, I will pick some up. It will lower my average cost. Now I think I'm gonna have to keep an eye on this one. If it continues to go down, I'll just keep an eye. I'm not going to go all in on anything. I don't think anybody should in these times, and I think that's kind of what the market is doing, is taking a pause. But there's some good opportunity, I think, at the same time to pick up things that you have some strong convictions with that are especially for long-term holds. Now, the last one I did pick up was a Slate Office REIT. I picked up 5 shares of that. That's the real estate REIT that I have on my portfolio. I do like the regular monthly dividends. So that's going to also help as well. Lots of turbulence out there. That was just a quick update for today. Let me know down in the comments below. I always like to hear what people are doing on the market. It definitely helps me out. So leave me a comment. Did you buy anything today? Did you sell anything? What is your sentiment of the market right now? I really would love to hear what everybody's thinking. Thanks for watching, everybody. Just a quick video today. We'll be back later on. It's a short week today, or a short week this week, so we'll be later on towards the end of the week for an update of how the portfolio is doing. Obviously, everybody, as they see if you're checking today, it is down. So bumpy times ahead. Let's hope we can maybe get a bit of improvement towards the end of the week. We'll see how things go. Thanks for watching. See you all in the next video.